Hi students, once again I welcome you all to my channel Abrar sir classes. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿನ ಕಿರ್ಚಾಫ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಕಿರ್ಚಾಫ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಿರ್ಚಾಫ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. This is the first problem. Okay, this is the first problem. What it is saying, what is the value of current I in the following circuit? Nodappa, where is I? I is here. I is equal to question mark. How much is this one? Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 plus 3. It is based on KCL, that is Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, we know that sigma I is equal to 0, or sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. Okay, I1 plus I2 is equal to what? I3 plus I4 if I3 and I4 are outgoing. It's like this. Okay, now this is based on Kirchhoff's current law. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, 3 plus 4 ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 amperes of current is flowing here. Right, okay. 7 amperes of current is coming here, okay, at this junction. Okay, how much is the incoming current? 7 amperes. How much is the outgoing current? 2 plus I plus of 1.3. Okay, then how much is I will be? I will be equal to 7 minus 2 minus of 1.3. and the rest ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, 5 minus of 1.3 is 3.7 amperes is the right answer. Right, 3.7 amperes. This is the right answer. I is equal to, ಇದು add ಮಾಡಿ, 2 plus 3.7 plus 1.3 is nothing but how much? We are going to get 7 again. Sum of incoming is equal to sum of outgoing currents. Now let us go to the next problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, value of current I in the following circuit is, okay, how to calculate the value of I. Sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. You think of this one only. Okay, see, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ, right? Okay, this is the outgoing current. I is equal to question mark, right? Okay, how much is incoming current? 1 amperes. How much is incoming current? 10 amperes. How much is incoming current here? 2 amperes. Okay, correct. Now see here, sum of incoming current should be equal to sum of outgoing current. Sum of incoming current is to 1 plus 10 plus 2, that is equal to outgoing current I. Estapa I is equal to 13 amperes. Understood? I is equal to 13 amperes is the right answer. Otherwise what you can do, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು 10 amperes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, 6 amperes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ this is 4 amperes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, right? 4 amperes. Again 4 amperes is coming here, 1 amperes is coming here. How many amperes here? Totally 5 amperes, right? 6 amperes of current is coming here, 2 amperes of current is coming here, 8 amperes. 8 plus 500 again 13. Okay, this is a short trick, this you can remember. Okay, short trick of doing this sum is sum of incoming. You'll observe ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, just observe here, right? Just observe here, incoming is equal to outgoing. I is equal to 13. Directly you can do this one instead of doing like this. Okay, we'll go to the next problem. Problem. Okay, you have to calculate the potential difference between A and B. Okay, between the points A and B. Okay, VA is here at point A, VB is here at point B. Now VA minus VB, VA minus of VB is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, current of 2 amperes is flowing. Okay, how much is the drop here? See, whenever you have a resistor like this, okay, current ಈ ಥರ flow ಆದಾಗ, okay, I will call this as plus, I will call this as minus. If we move like this, what will be the potential? Plus IR ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, we will follow this convention. If I am coming like this, this will be minus IR. This you have to remember. Understood? Okay. There is a resistor R. Okay, current I is flowing like this. Wherever current is entering, okay, it is called plus, and wherever current is leaving, it is called minus. Now if I move like this, okay, if I move like this, plus IR ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. If I move like this from right side, minus IR, ಇಲ್ಲಿ left side plus IR. Okay, VA minus VB in the start ಮಾಡೋಣ. So current is entering here, this will be plus. Okay, plus, okay, 2 into 2 what is the drop here? I into R, that is 2 into 2. If I move further here, what I am getting? I am getting the voltage source plus 3. Now, if I move here again, 2 amperes of current is flowing only. Same current is flowing because all are connected in series. 2 into 2 plus 3 plus current is again entering here, right? Current is entering here. This is plus, okay? Plus 2 into 1. Plus 2 into 1. What is the drop here? Plus 4 volts. And what is the drop here? What is the value of the voltage source they have given? Cell plus 3. Okay. And what is the drop here? It is, okay, plus 2 only. Right. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 volts is the right answer. Understood? Next. Problem. What about this one? If 3 amperes of current is flowing between points P and Q in the circuit, then the potential difference between P and Q. Okay. Now here, observe this one. Okay, this is very, very important. Observe this one. What is given? 2 ohm. Okay, 3 amperes of current is flowing. Okay, this is the cell which is having some internal resistance 2 ohm anta illide. Ili irlilla. In the previous problem, it was not there. Okay, it is not there, right? Now here in this problem they have given the internal resistance of the cell. Okay, let's go to the 2 ohm like this. Now start madana. Let us start from, okay, P, right? Okay, illi 3 amperes of current is flowing. This is cell which is having some resistance 2 ohm. Now this is 4 ohm as it is there. Okay, right? 4 ohm is there. This is Q, right? This is P. 3 amperes of current is flowing. This is plus and this is minus. You know, okay? The bigger one is always plus and the smaller one is minus. Okay, 3 amperes of current is flowing. 2 ohm. Okay, again only 3 amperes of current will be flowing. Is plus. Okay, again 3 amperes of current is flowing because all are connected in series. This is plus. Okay, so how to calculate the potential difference between points P and Q? Vp minus Vq. That's what. Vp minus Vq. Okay, in the so first if I move like this, what I am going to get? First I am going to get voltage source. Okay, of how many volts? 2 volts. Okay, 2 plus R. If I move further, okay, what is the drop here? Current is entering. 3 into 2 under 3 into 2 is the drop. Plus here again, what is the drop here? Voltage drop 3 into 4, right? Okay, that is equal to 2 plus 6 plus of 12. How much? 8 plus 12 is 20 volts is the right answer. 20 volts is the right answer. Understood? This you have to be careful here because they have given 2 ohm is the internal resistance of this cell. Earlier it was not given here. So directly we took 3 volts only. Understood? Next problem. In this problem, the value of I1 and I2, okay, value of I1 and I2 you have to calculate. I1, okay, is here, okay, downside, I2 is upper side. This is 40 volts you are given and this is 0. We will take this as V, P another one. V, I will call this point as P, I will call this one Q. Because already AP they have given, therefore I am calling this as P and Q. How much is Vp? Vp is 40 volts. How much is Vq? It is grounded. Okay, grounded and Vq is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to calculate I1 and I2. Understood? Now Vp minus of Vq. Vp minus of Vq. Now first variable. Okay, let us come downside. Okay, lower side. Lower side node to calculate, okay, to calculate I1, to calculate I1, Vp minus Vq, okay. whatever the voltage here, same voltage will be there because they are connected in parallel. Vp minus Vq, Vp minus of Vq is equal to current is entering here, therefore plus 4 I1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? If I move further, again I1 of current is flowing here, 6 I1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, plus of 6 I1, right? Vp minus Vq is equal to ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 4. What is the drop here? What is drop? 4 I1 plus. What is the value of Vp? Now I can substitute. How much is Vp? Vp is 60. Minus of Vp is, Vp is how much? Vp is 40. Vp is how much? 40 they have given. That I am writing. Vp is 40 minus of Vq is how much? 0. That is equal to 4 I1 plus of 6 I1. Right? 40 minus 0 is 40. That is equal to 10 I1. I1 how much we are getting? I1 is equal to 40 by 10 is 4 amperes. Right? 4 amperes of current flow. This is lower side to calculate I1. Now similarly, in the same way, similarly you do it for the upper one. Vp minus of Vq. Vp minus of Vq, is equal to, if I move like this, what I have to write? Plus 6 I2, right? Plus 6 I2, and then if I move further, this plus current is entering, I2 current is entering, right? 4 I2. This is for upper side. This is for upper side of the originally. You will not be having any confusion. Upper side to calculate what? To calculate I2. Vp minus Vp. 6 I2 plus 4 I2. How much is Vp? We know Vp is how much? 40. Minus of 0. That is equal to 6 I2 plus of 4 I2. How much is this? 40 is equal to 10 I2. Again I am getting I2 is how much? 4 amperes only. Therefore the value of I1 is 4 amperes, I2 is 4 amperes. C is the right answer. Hope you understood. Next problem, in the circuit shown the current in 3 ohm. Where is 3 ohm? 3 ohm is here. Because same current will flow here. 3 and 3 are connected in series. Now, it is confusing. Therefore, what I will do? This is 2 ohm. This is 2 ohm. This is 3 ohm and this is 3 ohm. Now I will connect all these things. Because everything is connected to a common point. This is plus. This is minus 10 volts. Everything is grounded. I can write like this. Everything all is connected to a common point, common potential. This is 2 ohm. This is 3 ohm. This is 3 ohm. Now to calculate the current I that is coming from this cell, we have to first calculate the equivalent resistance. How to calculate the equivalent resistance? 3 and 3 are in 3 and 3 are there in series. 2 ohm, right? And this is 2 ohm, right? 3 and 3 in series andre 6 ohm, right? 6 ohm idu 2 ohm, right? And this is plus minus 10 volts. That is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ohm what about this one? This is 10 volts. 2 ohm in parallel with 2 ohm andre 12 by 8, right? 6 into 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ by 2 3 by 2 3 by 2, right? 3 by 2 in series with 2, right? Equivalent resistance, R equivalent, if I want to calculate 2 plus of 3 by 2 out, right? That is equal to 2. 4 plus 3 is 7 by 2 ohm. Okay, R equivalent is how much? 7 by 2 ohm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then what is the current I is equal to V by R. V by R ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 7 by 2, that is equal to 20 by 7 amperes of current is flowing here, right? 20 by 7 amperes of current will be flowing here. Now how to calculate the value of C? Here we came to know that current of 20 by 7 amperes is flowing. Okay, 20 by 7 amperes of current is flowing here. Now how to calculate the current here? Let us say this is I1, let us say this is I2. Understood? Now we know very clearly, okay, whenever we have two resistors, okay, when we have two resistors, ಇದು R1 ಅಪ್ಪ, ಇದು R2 ಅಪ್ಪ. Okay, this is the main current I entering. Okay, let us say this is I1 and this is I2. What is the value of I1? I1 will be equal to main current into resistance of the other branch divided by sum of the resistances R1 plus of R2. In the same way, you try to calculate the value of, okay, value of from here, try to calculate the value of I1. I1 will be equal to how much? I1 will be equal to main current. How much is the main current? 20 by 7, okay, into resistance of the other branch. Other branch ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 2 divided by sum of the resistances. ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ sum of the resistance? 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus of 3, 2 plus of 3 plus 3. So I1 is equal to 20 by 7, okay, into 2 by 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 3 is 8, right? Okay, now I can cancel this. This is I can write 4 times and this is 5 times. Okay, right? How much are you going to get? Again 1 and again 2. Okay, how much we are getting now? This is 4 times 5 by, okay, 5 by, again 2 2 I can cancel, 5 by 7. See here we are getting 20 by 7. 20 by 7 is the, okay, current flowing. Okay, what is the resistance of the other branch? 2, right? And some of the resistances 2 plus 3 plus, right, 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 3 is 8. 20 by 7 into 2 by 8. Understood? Now I can write 4 times cancel ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು. Understood? ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 times cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And again here you have 2, right? 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. How much you are getting? 5 by 14. You are getting 5 by 14. 5 by 14. Answer is not there here. 5 by 14 is not there. Once again we will see where we have done mistake. If this is 2, 2, 6, okay, 12, 12 by 8, okay, okay, and then here these two are in 4 plus 3 is 7, R equals 7 by 2, right? And then I is equal to V by R. V by R andre 20 by 7, right? This is the right answer. Okay, main current is 20 by 7. How much is I1? I1 you have to calculate. I1 is equal to main current 20 by 7 into resistance of the other branch into 2 divided by 2 plus 3 plus 3. Yes, right. This is 20 by 7 into 2 by 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Understood? This is 4 2s are 8. Okay, sorry, here you have done a mistake. 4 2s are 8 and this is 4, 2 times you can cancel by 4, okay, 2, and this will be how much? 5, right? This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Here, simple mistake we had done. Okay, now try to cancel this. I can cancel this 4 2s are 8, 10 2, okay, 2, 5, understood. That is equal to 2 2 gets cancelled. 5 by 7 amperes is the right answer. Hope you understood this. I1 is equal to 5 by 7. Be careful while simplifying here. What we have done, I1 is equal to 20 by 7 itapa into 2 by how much? 5 plus 3 is 8. Understood? Okay, this is 2 fours are 8, 5 fours are right. 2 2 gets cancelled. That is equal to 5 by 7 is the right answer. Hope you understood. Understood? Ishanapa, today this much only. We will come with interesting problems in the other videos. If you like this video, kindly like it, ask doubts in the comment box. Okay, share with your friends and subscribe for my channel. Thank you one and all. Be careful in the calculation. Okay, silly mistakes don't do, otherwise okay you won't get the correct answer. Thank you one and all.